So this section is called Calculator Discounts and Add-ons. Now the calculator picture I have here is my own little handy dandy cheap little calculator that probably was given to me. Not much on it, but one of the things that we're going to look at specifically is this percent sign. Because when you buy something, a lot of times the regular price is, well, let's say in this particular one, top of page 75. So we've got something that's a regular price of $64. Okay, and you look at the sign and it says, holy cow, this item is 15% off. Now when you see the word off, that means subtract. So you're going to take 15% off of that $64. Well, how much is that? Well, if you take that calculator, which I can't use on here because that's just a picture, but if I put 64 into my calculator, and remember, off means subtract, hit my minus key, and then hit 15, and then I have a percent key right there. Hit that. Don't hit equal, don't do anything else, just leave it at that. And when you took 15% off, you got $54.40, yeah. So you were able to save almost $10 off the regular price. So that's handy to be able to do that. 64 minus 15%. So you're able to figure out how much that item cost you instead of having to wait to get to the checkout. Now on page 76, we've got, let's see, move my calculator down, get rid of the other stuff. Okay, on page 76, we're doing something different. We're doing sales tax. So you buy something for $325 and there is, let's say, 6% sales tax on that item. So we're going to take our calculator and we're going to take 325. And when I said we're going to add 6%, we're going to add a certain amount of money to the 325. So we're going to do 325 plus 6%. So plus 6%. And my total cost then on that item is going to be $344.50. Now the state of Alaska does not have a state sales tax. It has sales tax depending on what town you're in. So like for instance, Anchorage has no sales tax. So if you buy something up there for $1.50, that's how much it costs. But if you're in Soldotna or Kenai, you're going to have to pay a percent. You're going to add an amount to that you're paying in city sales tax. So just something to remember as you're buying things. And yeah, we'll just end it there.